Let's go. Judge is ready for you, Ms. Hartman. He's a piece of work.
Yeah, easy. So like,
That's fine. Jessica, need you to wake up. Judge is ready for you. I'm gonna call you in just a second. I need some tissue when you get a moment. Because he's using the restroom. He didn't say he had to take a doozy. He just said he had to use the restroom. So when I put him in there, he says, no tissue. Starts screaming, calling me a dumbass. He wants tissue. He thinks it's the help. We'll get him some tissue. But unfortunately, he's got to wait. Hey. Gotta stay awake, okay? So he's going to come get you, talk to you. And we're going to put you in a cell. Want HBA, we'll get some HBA, we'll have them check you out, okay? I'm slightly concerned about your sleep. I know you keep telling me it's just because you haven't slept in 2 days, but.
hold on, I gotta get the key.
Wait on him hand and foot.
All right, so.
Good morning. Nope, it's afternoon. State your full name for the record.
Your name.
Jessica Hartman.
Jessica Ann Hartman. Hold on 1 minute.
You answer that, she gonna leave me in a minute.
Ms. Hartman, now Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time for an arraignment on several files. The first one is case number 20 SAMU Union 00361. It's an arraignment on a driving while license suspended with an alleged offense date back on August 25th of 2020 in Sumter Township. This case was scheduled for an arraignment pretrial. You were conspicuous by your absence. You failed to appear. A bench warrant issued. You've read and signed your advice of rights form, correct?
Ms. Hartman. States she hasn't slept in a couple days, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hartman, if you want to get through this, you read and signed your advice of rights form, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm going to schedule this matter for a Zoom pretrial. That's going to be on Thursday, June 10th, 2021 at 10:20 a.m. in Judge Green's Zoom courtroom. Officer,
Thank
your
you so
case
much.
number, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, if you could repeat it one more time, I'd appreciate it.
That case number is 20 SAMU Union 00361.
And that was June 10th?
That is going to be on June 10th this year, 10:20 a.m. Judge Green's courtroom.
Thank you very much.
Bond on this case is $3,000 personal. You have a cell phone, Ms. Hartman?
I do, not on me.
Do you know that phone number?
I know my own cell phone number, yeah.
Well, why don't you tell that to me?
734-294-8089.
Your address is still on Clay Street? I'm asking you a question.
Is it still on Clay Street? Yeah.
You're confirming, give me your address.
44070 Clay, Pueblo, Michigan 401.
The next case, you have an malicious destruction of private property. That case number is 20 V Victor B Boy 03347 B Boy. Again, it's 20 V Victor B Boy 03347 B Boy. This has an alleged offense date August 13th of 2020 in Van Buren Township for malicious destruction of property. Again, this case was scheduled for an arraignment pre-trial. You were conspicuous by your absence, a bench warrant issued. I've entered a plea of not guilty on your behalf. I'm scheduling this matter for a pre-trial with the Van Buren Township prosecutor. That's going to be on June 17th. This year, 9:10 a.m., Judge Oakley's courtroom by Zoom. Your bond, $3,000 personal.
The citation you're getting is just drive on slate. Take care of that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I actually see that.
Next case, case number 19-0904. 19-0904. Retail fraud. Alleged offense date February 13th, 2019, Van Buren Township. This case has been rolling around for a long time. The ROA is several pages long. You were arraigned in front of Judge Oakley. You pled not guilty. You were conspicuous by your absence. You've had the bond set in this case at least 9 times by every judge in the 34th District. I'll continue the not guilty plea, schedule the matter for a Zoom pre-trial for Thursday, June 17th this year, 9:10 a.m. in front of Judge Oakley. What do you do for a living, Ms. Hartman?
Ms. Hartman? Yes, what you do for a living, Ms. Hartman?
Oh, what I do? I'm actually unemployed right now. But I'm usually doing administrative.
Your bond's $3,000 personal. Again, pre-trial by Zoom, June 17th this year, 9:10 a.m., Judge Oakley. Case number 19-0904. Next case, case number 19-5331. Retail fraud, Van Buren Township, alleged offense date December 31st, 2019. I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Scheduling the matter for a pre-trial. By Zoom, Judge Oakley's courtroom, June 17th, 9:10 a.m.
Thank you.
Bond, $3,000 personal.
No, but
Next case, alleged offense date August 13th, 2020. Retail fraud, Van Buren Township, case number 20 V Victor B Boy 03347 A Adam. Again, 20 V Victor B Boy 03347 A Adam. Retail fraud, alleged offense date August 13th, 2020. Again, this case, you are scheduled for an arraignment pretrial. If contiguous by your absence, a bench warrant issued. I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf, scheduling the matter for a pretrial. With Judge Oakley, same court date, same time, June 17th, 2021, 9:10 a.m. by Zoom. Bond, $3,000 personal. Next case, case number 19-4054. 19-4054. Breaking and entering to steal property. It was a reduced charge from breaking and entering a vehicle to steal property. Alleged offense date September 28, 2019, Van Buren Township. You have an outstanding balance on this case. You pled guilty in front of Judge Green. It was given a deferred sentence. You failed across the board on that deferred sentence. Bottom line, you owe $650 from what I can tell, but looking back in time on the Register of Action, there's an outstanding balance of $2,084.20. You'll review this case when you come in on June 17th. I'll release you on a $3,000 personal bond on this case. Case number 18 R. Robert 602267. That's 18 R. Robert 602267. Impeding traffic out of the city of Romulus. Outstanding balance $344. It's a civil infraction. You'll review it on the 17th. Bond $3,000 personal. Case number 8SM 3306989 B Boy. That's 8SM 3306989 B Boy. No proof of insurance. Michigan State Police, alleged offense date the 5th of May 2018, outstanding balance $235. Again, this would be reviewed on 6/17. Bond 3,000 personal. Sorry to inconvenience you, Ms. Hartman. That, believe it or not, wraps up your cases that I have. Officer, do we agree?
Yeah, I believe so. We'll do our best to see if we cleared everything up before we release her.
Okay. Andy, that wraps up Ms. Hartman. Do we agree?
Correct. I think you got all 8 of them.
We're all set, correct? No other arraignment?
I will not bother you again today, I promise.
All right, you have a good day.